Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and one thing that makes cooking even more fun for me is when I have the right tools in the kitchen. I have just been so impressed with this awesome 5-piece spatula set from Gourmet Easy. Getting this set of spatulas was the perfect way to ditch all of my mismatched spatulas and have really one nice, beautiful, and durable set. Now, what I really love is the variety of sizes. The smallest one is a little bit over an inch, and the largest one is just under 3 inches. This makes it really convenient and allows me to use these in a variety of different ways in the kitchen. I love that not only do I have to use these just baking like I typically would use a spatula, because it is made of silicone, I also love that I can use it on my pans without worrying that it's going to scratch it up. This also comes with something I am new to, a spoonula, which is a spatula which also looks just like a spoon. For me, I like to use it with a little bit of heartier soups or something that has a little bit of sauce that you want to scoop up. I noticed that these scrape out containers really well. So when I am scraping the batter out of my bowls or out of containers, I really loved how well it scraped the sides to get all of the ingredients that were left. This also comes with a pastry brush. It's very nice and easy to handle. Each of these different spatulas have a really nice stainless steel handle. I like that it has a little weight to it, but it has a really nice, comfortable grip. These display so nicely with the red color too. It adds just such a nice pop of color in the kitchen. So if you're ready to upgrade your spatulas or maybe just give a gift to someone with a new home, then I would definitely check out this beautiful set of spatulas from Gourmet Easy. But that's just my point of view.